In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can go live on Instagram. You can simply go live on your Instagram account in just few simple steps. To do this, open up your Instagram account. On my profile page, tap on the profile icon on your upper left just right here. Then select the option of the camera. Right here you will have to scroll rightwards and select the option of live. Then make sure everything is set and tap right here on this button. You will get live on Instagram. All your followers will get notifications that you are currently live. That's how easy it is to go live on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.